Best face mask for winter, which works as a best moisturizer for oily skin also that can make at home. Apple is a great anti-aging mask to lift the dull and wrinkled skin, as well as vitamin C is involved in the formation of collagen. Regular intake of apples eliminates fine lines and wrinkles. It's great for your homemade hydrating face mask. This fruit can treat sunburns and prevent them from peeling. Also provides relief from acne and sunburns, thanks to its cooling properties. Apple fruit has the potential to lighten, brighten and soothe your skin. This is because it has the highest content of collagen and elastic, which also make it a collagen face mask. Egg is the most commonly used ingredient for skin tightening. It is the best moisturizer for dry skin and oily skin as well. It is a great cleanser which removes dead cells, and can reverse the signs of aging. This beauty face mask is going to be your winter face mask and a hydrating face mask, which will help to reduce your expenditure for some best drugstore moisturizer. Add this to your skincare routine to get face moisturizer effect as well. We all know benefits of honey in many ways. Raw honey is super hydrating and can be used as daily face moisturizer. It makes it as hydrating face mask and very frequently used in Korean face mask. You use mud mask, clay face mask or black face mask, but a simple face mask pack gives natural glowing skin with anti-aging skincare benefits. Not only good for dry skin but a great moisturizer for oily skin also. No need best lotion for dry skin from market. This homemade skincare routine or this winter face mask do more. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.